So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Calico Critters veil for them. And if you haven't checked my other videos out, you should because like one of them is called Ice Cream Chuck. We're selling our ice cream chuck. It's miniature. It's really cute. So if you're interested, like, you can go check the video out. Also another one is about, it's like just a quick short video. It was actually my first video that I posted on my channel, because like I'm new to the YouTube channel thing. And so that one was of my dog Elvis. And also the one I posted today earlier was Calico Critter purses. You can look it up if you're interested. It was called how to make a Calico Critter purse, and you can even like put stuff inside here. And the one that I also made something else, but I didn't post it. It was an oven mitt for the Calico Critters, and so like I didn't post it because like it was like at first it was too small. And then, like, this one fits good. It's just you have to, like, fit it in. This one, like, because the material I used, it's tearing. But it still, like, works, you know. So it's an oven mitt. But anyway, today what we're going to be doing is, as I said, making a veil for our Calico Critters. And this is how it looks. Let me show you. It looks like this, with that part that you flip up, and it has the holes for the ears. And what we will be needing today is white fabric. It doesn't matter if it's torn, because we'll only need like to cut a little bit of pieces. So we'll be needing scissors, and this is optional. It's like some pretty glittery material, and that's the part that goes over. It does tear kind of easily, but it actually makes it look really pretty. But it is optional, as I said. And what we will also be needing is a glue gun. And so let's get started. So the first step is to get your fabric and cut out the pieces for this. So we're just going to cut some rectangles, one rectangle like this, and put that one aside. And so we're going to cut 3 of those. Like this. And I cut off the parts that are kind of pointy at the edge, and one more. So I wouldn't make them too small, and I wouldn't make them too big, but it depends on what size Calico Critters you are, because like mine is an adult. She's the mommy, and so that's why I made it kind of longer. So the sizes of the rectangles is depending on the sizes of your Calico Critters. And so after you're done cutting the 3 triangles out, and well, they don't have to be perfect, because like nothing has to be perfect. It's like unique in our own way. So it goes like that. And what we're gonna do now is spread them out like this. And then what we're gonna do is I like to go from biggest to smallest, and we're gonna overlap it to see the way it would look. And see how this one has points, so I'm just going to go ahead and take them off. And then we're just going to, like I said, overlap it like this. And that's the way it's going to look, like that. And so now we're going to go ahead and use the glue gun and start. Start by doing a line like that, and overlapping it, but this time it actually has glue. And then do it for the last one. You can make it more than 3, but I just did 3 because it's like, if she's standing, it's like as tall as her, as long as her. So I didn't want it to be like long, but it's up to you. Or you can make it even shorter. It doesn't matter. And then you could just like let that dry. And then after it dries, hot glue dries really, really fast. So it should be dry by now. And so what we're now gonna do is we're gonna use another piece of fabric, and that piece is gonna be for the top. So it's a small piece, it's like a small rectangle. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut a small rectangle like this, and it may be bigger than some of these, but so, and also like if you have Calico Critters, because like I know that all Calico Critters ears are shaped different, like depending on the animal. My pandas are like this, so that's how come I ended up doing them like this. But if they're the elephants, I have the family, but I haven't made a veil for them. I would just like get a permanent marker and trace the ear to see like how you're gonna end up cutting it for the ears could fit. And so then that's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna get this and go here. And I don't have a permanent marker at the time, but that's okay because you just put it flat and you could like feel the part where you need a cut. So it's just gonna be right about here. And then that's what I'm gonna do. Like this. And if the circle doesn't come out perfect, it's okay because like it doesn't have to. And then you're gonna do the other ear. And it should come out something like this, depending on the shape, as I said, of your Calico Critter's ears. And if you have the elephants, then I would recommend you cut out a longer piece of the rectangle for the rectangle, so that because like the ears like right here, and then see how it fits, and it's like that. So now as this one, we're gonna go ahead and glue this right here at the very edge of this. So just put the glue at the very edge of this top rectangle, and then put this here. And then if you didn't get all of the spots, that's okay, because like that. And then if you want to make it go faster, just blow on it. But the hot glue actually dries really fast. So even if these look kind of crooked, they still fit her perfectly. And now that it's dry, what we're gonna do, see how it fits like that? If you want to leave it like that, you can, or you can add in this. It doesn't have to be exactly this material, but it could be say white fabric over, but I use this because it can like, it's still like see-through and you could still see her face. So what we're gonna do is put aside her, and what we're gonna do is cut a piece of this, and this does tear easily, as you can see. And once you have a piece like this, it should be about like this if it's the size of her, and if it's pointy, I would cut that piece off. And then now what we're gonna do is glue the piece, like cut any pointy edges, and then we're gonna go ahead and hot glue the piece right here. And during this, you should be very careful because like this is see, it kind of looks like a smiley face, but this is see-through, and it has like this, so I wouldn't get so you don't get burned. So you can like get a piece of it. This is like the extras, and curl it and roll it in a ball, and just like pat it down like really fast. Or once it like gets colder, you could just like put it like that and then blow on it, and it should dry. And then see, it's already dry. And then once it is dry, try it on her. And there we go. I hope you guys like this video, and if you can, please like and subscribe and leave a comment to tell me if it worked or not. And okay, so bye guys.